What's going on, Facebook, YouTube? BDC coming at you with another video. The bog is up and running. Bog Waterfall. It is April 26, 2025. Okay, let me explain this to you. Back this off just a little bit. There we go. Alright, so concept is gap at the bottom, water or a pump in the pond feeds the water through that line into the filter. There's a tub like that. That's my old tub that cracked. Old tub like that, filled with polyfill and gravel. Put the lid on it, seal it up, put it down in the bottom. That acts as a trickle down filter. Once the water reaches the bottom, you see the holes at the bottom of the filter. Water comes up through the bricks and gravel. Then once it gets to the top, we got a series of plants. We got watercress, and we got what do you call it, lily from the yard. There's more watercress back here. This kind of got moved out. Alright, so you see that filter padding there? That's just wadded up in there so the plants have something to root into. So we got the waterfall blocked off. Not blocked off, but a gap real tight so the plants don't flow into there just until they get rooted. So once they get rooted, I gotta put my waterproof gloves on to mess with this. Anyways, you got the concept. Wife got a waterfall, and I got a filter and a garden. And a pond. So anyways, the pond, you may or may not know, is a 24-foot octagon shaped in-ground swimming pool. It has a stair step section, which is now 2 inches, 1 foot, 2 foot, 3 foot. Then it slopes down to 3.5 feet. Then right here it slopes down again to 7 feet, 7.5 feet to this section, and then it's 8 foot in that section. Right now the pond is sitting at 7 foot 8 inches deep. I got the skimmer going. It needs to be cleaned out because all this surface stuff flying off the trees from the storms is clogging it up. So there's frogs, 2 frogs in here. I think they were laying eggs the other day. Got some type of egg right there. Two frogs so far. I haven't seen any toads. It's not warm enough yet. Temperature's only like oh god, why did I look at that? It's 38 degrees. It's also 9 o'clock in the morning. But good news is today is Saturday, so Sunday, Monday, Tuesday is supposed to be 80. 80. Yeah. We had an 80-degree day a couple, maybe a week ago. and it went from 80 to 55 to 35 in about 30 hours. Yeah, that's the life of Northwest Indiana for you. So this is my bird bath. Birds don't use it as a bird bath. It's got too much going on in here, but it's got a lily growing in there. It's got watercress. It's got blood vein or blood root, whatever, and that is mint. These are just started out plants. Once it starts getting warmer, they'll fill out a little bit better. I'll be able to transfer them over to the bog. So you saw those real fine white roots from the watercress. Those white roots like that. So that just becomes one big thick mat all the way across there, and that's what actually eats up the nitrates or the whatever that the algae uses to bloom. So anyways, we do have visibility of about 6 feet right now. If you look back in a couple of my other videos, you can see all the way to the bottom at the 7.5, 8 foot mark. But yeah, when it's sunny out, you can definitely see the bottom structure. And there's like little tunnels for the fish to go in and out of. I made out of crates. These kind of crates. Of course, you have to weigh them down a lot. So anyways, these are my breeder boxes, planter boxes. This is all watercress through here. Watercress, not water lettuce like I said in my last video. Watercress. There is water lettuce in the hoops. And that is some type of flower that I pulled out of the flower bed. Seems to be doing pretty good. Those are lilies. I did have iris. For some reason, iris does not want to cooperate with me. Oh, there's my cattails. They are in the 3 foot section. Miniature cattails. It's just rooted down inside that basket. This is watercress. Fairly fresh watercress. It has frog eggs in it right now. This all has frog eggs in it. That all has frog eggs in it. I gotta get my waterproof gloves on to get that out. Water temperature is still 58 degrees right now. I checked it yesterday. I don't know about right now, but yesterday. Here's another example of the watercress roots. They just get so thick and they hang down the bottom. You can see some of my other videos, my underwater videos. I don't see any fish eggs yet, but I have seen a couple go in and out of the boxes. That's mint, all mint. Oh wait, no, that's watercress, lily, watercress, and that's mint. Yeah, see the difference in the pattern of the leaf. That's mint. And then the watercress is smooth. And there's a dog. One of my dogs. Yeah. Anyways, just wanted to show you the bog. Needs to get warmed up. This is water mimosa. Giant yellow water mimosa. It's got fresh roots, so I'm thinking it'll pull through in winter time. If you don't, we'll just have to take it out. Alright, well, we're going a little over 10 minutes. I'm going to cut this one short. BDC. Ow.